Got a burning question about Jobber and payroll? Specifically, are you wondering if Jobber itself handles payroll, or if it integrates with other services to get your team paid? If you're a small business owner, a home service professional, or someone managing a field service team, the efficiency of your payroll process can make or break your cash flow and team morale. You're likely juggling estimates, scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customer management, and the last thing you need is another complex system to navigate. Getting your team paid accurately and on time is non-negotiable, and if Jobber could simplify that, it would be a game changer. So, let's dive deep into whether Jobber has payroll capabilities, how it works with other payroll providers, and what this means for your business operations. For many businesses, the allure of an all-in-one solution is strong. Imagine a world where all your business operations, from the first customer contact to the final payroll run, are managed within a single platform. It sounds like a dream, right? Jobber excels at many things: streamlining your workflow, optimizing your schedule, improving customer communication, and making invoicing a breeze. It's designed to save you time and reduce administrative headaches, allowing you to focus on what you do best, providing excellent service. But does that comprehensive suite extend to processing your employees' paychecks? The short answer is no. Jobber does not have native, built-in payroll functionality. It's crucial to understand this distinction up front. Jobber is not a payroll processor like ADP, Gusto, or QuickBooks Payroll. It doesn't calculate taxes, handle deductions, or file payroll reports directly with government agencies. Its core strength lies in job management, CRM, scheduling, invoicing, and payment processing for your services. However, that doesn't mean Jobber leaves you in the lurch when it comes to payroll. Far from it. What Jobber does exceptionally well is integrate with leading payroll providers. This integration capability is incredibly important because it allows you to leverage the strengths of specialized payroll software while still benefiting from Jobber's robust operational features. Think of it as a best-of-both-worlds scenario. You get a powerful field service management system and a dedicated, compliant payroll solution working in tandem. So, how does this integration work in practice? The most common and beneficial integration for payroll purposes is with QuickBooks Online. Many small businesses already use QuickBooks Online for their accounting needs, and Jobber has a seamless two-way sync with it. When you create invoices in Jobber and mark them as paid, that financial data flows directly into QuickBooks Online. This means your revenue is accurately recorded, which is fundamental for financial reporting and, ultimately, for understanding your profitability. While QuickBooks Online handles your general ledger and financial reporting, QuickBooks Payroll, a separate but integrated service within the QuickBooks ecosystem, is designed to manage your payroll. The connection here isn't a direct Jobber to QuickBooks Payroll link for time tracking or pay calculations. Instead, Jobber helps you with the initial data collection that feeds into your payroll process. For instance, Jobber's robust time tracking features allow your team to clock in and out directly from the mobile app. This accurate time data is invaluable. While Jobber won't send that time data to QuickBooks Payroll automatically for calculations, you can easily export timesheets from Jobber. This exported data can then be imported into QuickBooks Payroll or used to manually input hours, significantly reducing errors and saving you time compared to traditional paper timesheets or less integrated systems. Beyond QuickBooks, Jobber also offers integrations with other accounting software like Xero, which can then connect to various payroll providers. The key takeaway is that Jobber acts as a powerful data hub for your operational activities. It collects critical information like job details, customer information, expenses incurred on jobs, and crucially, employee time spent on tasks. This data, once exported, can be used to populate your chosen payroll system. Let's consider the advantages of this approach. First, it allows for specialization. Payroll is a complex area with ever-changing tax laws and compliance requirements. Dedicated payroll providers invest heavily in staying current with these regulations, ensuring your business remains compliant and avoids costly penalties. Relying on their expertise is often more efficient and less risky than trying to manage payroll internally with a system not built for it. Second, it offers flexibility. You're not locked into a single payroll provider. If your business needs change, or if you find a payroll service that better suits your budget or specific requirements, You have the freedom to switch without disrupting your core Jobber operations. This flexibility is a significant benefit for growing businesses. Third, it promotes data accuracy. By using Jobber for time tracking, you're getting precise records of when your employees start and finish work and how much time they spend on specific jobs. This granular data, when used to feed your payroll system, minimizes discrepancies and ensures your employees are paid correctly for the hours they've worked. It also helps with job costing, as you can accurately attribute labor costs to specific projects. Consider a scenario. Your field technicians use Jobber to track their time, complete tasks, and log expenses incurred on a job site. At the end of the pay period, you, as the business owner, can easily generate a report from Jobber detailing each technician's hours and any reimbursable expenses. You then take this information and input it into your chosen payroll system, be it Gusto, ADP, or QuickBooks Payroll. The payroll system then handles the calculations, tax deductions, direct deposits, and year-end tax forms. Jobber provides the raw materials, and your payroll provider bakes the cake. While Jobber doesn't directly handle payroll, its robust time tracking features are a massive asset. Your team can clock in and out from their mobile devices, even when offline. This eliminates the need for manual timesheets, reducing errors and saving significant administrative time. Managers can easily review and approve timesheets within Jobber, ensuring accuracy before the data is exported for payroll processing. This streamlined time collection process is a huge step towards efficient payroll management. In essence, Jobber empowers you with the data you need to run your payroll effectively. It helps you accurately track employee hours, manage job-related expenses that might need to be reimbursed, and provides comprehensive financial reporting that feeds into your overall accounting. By integrating with specialized payroll services, Jobber ensures that while it's managing your day-to-day operations and customer interactions, a dedicated system is handling the complexities of getting your team paid. The key is to leverage Jobber's strengths in operational management and combine them with the specialized expertise of a dedicated payroll provider. This synergistic approach allows you to maintain efficiency, accuracy, and compliance across all aspects of your business, from winning new clients to paying your hardworking team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.